Oh well. Sun's on the wrong side, but I don't do anything about that. Remember this the needle goes. It's closed all the way now.
No, I think this is the one. This is the one.
What did we use?
1830, it probably was.
That's like what we used to have. So,
Yeah, what Grandpa used to
Spilled
have.
over the top.
What happened there? Somebody roll it over?
One of the all too common hazards for the threshermen was poor bridges. In those days, the average bridge was built for horse and buggy, not for the new heavy traction engines and threshing machines.
Yeah. Yeah, you look at the tires on there, and all the legs are rigged right there. You look at the steering and how the chain is hold the steering.
so what happened to us? Why don't we have it anymore?
We bring it in on the M, whatever.
I think I like this more than the M.
Take the bar.
Do you?
Get as high as you can.
Where's the air conditioning on this one?
What's that going to say on the M?
This one has a canopy.
Mine, you cracked it up too.
Well, there used to be. It was more round than that. Out behind the barn,
Hold it.
there was that canopy sitting upside down with 4 posts